Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As we have discussed about the shielded twisted pair cable, one of the guided media. The second type of this is coaxial cable. As we know, coaxial cable is also a guided media which helps us to transfer data from one place to another place, or from the receiver to the sender to the receiver. So this is the figure of coaxial cable. Here this is a plastic cover, and this is the insulators, and this is outer conductor, and this is the inner conductor. So this is a mesh over the uh, conductor. So in coaxial cables of copper wire covered by an insulating material. So this is the insulating material covering the copper wire. The insulated copper wire is covered by copper mesh. This is the copper mesh in order to protect it from the electromagnetic waves. Uh, the mesh protect the data signal by from interference by external electromagnetic waves. जो ये mesh होता है, जो एक वीविंग तार की तरह होता है, ये इसको बाहर के इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव से बचाता है ताकि इसके साथ इंटरफेयर न हो. Coaxial cables are used by the cable television networks and telephone companies. So we can write here the first point is coaxial cables of copper wire covered by an insulating material. The insulated copper wire is covered by copper mesh. The insulated copper wire is covered by copper mesh. This is a copper mesh covered by copper mesh. The mesh protects it from interference by external electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic वेव से इसको ये बचाने में मदद करता है. And the coaxial cables are used by cable TV networks and telephone companies. So this was about the coaxial cables in guided media. The rest will be discussed in the next. Thanks.